Hello, and welcome to this short introduction to MemoryLifter. MemoryLifter is a free virtual flashcard software based on the scientific boxcard system which was developed by Sebastian Leitner. This system uses timed spacing and controlled repetitions to virtually lift information into the long-term memory. On a very basic level, this means that cards are sorted into boxes depending on how well the information is known. Cards that are not known are asked much more frequently than cards that are known. Let's take a quick look at the MemoryLifter learning environment. These two windows represent the virtual flashcard. The question is presented in the learning box on the left, and the answer appears in the learning box on the right side. Here on the bottom is the so-called stack, which shows you the last 4 cards that were answered incorrectly. The scoring and progress information box on the top gives an overview of the learning progress at all times. One thing that really sets MemoryLifter apart from other flashcard programs is its multimedia capability. MemoryLifter can incorporate audio,
the bird,
images, web links, or even video clips into its flashcards. These multimedia elements greatly enhance the learning experience and improve memory performance significantly. Important for potential cooperating partners is that the appearance of the learning module can be customized to present a unified look or to correspond to a particular book or learning tool. For example, the font colors and frame colors and the feedback graphics of a learning module can be chosen to correspond to the color scheme of a particular textbook. This creates a familiar learning environment for the students. Now let's take a quick look at some of the learning options that MemoryLifter offers. First, there is the slideshow mode,
the authority,
la autoridad,
which offers a kind of walkthrough through the cards.
the parrot,
el loro,
the season.
la estación.
In Central Europe, we have 4 seasons.
En Europa Central tenemos 4 estaciones.
This mode is particularly useful in the beginning, when one is not familiar with the material yet. Second, there is the standard mode. It is also called the active mode because it prompts the learner to actively type in the correct answer.
The daughter,
La hija,
If the question is answered correctly, it is promoted to the next higher box.
yellow,
amarillo,
If the wrong answer is given, the correct answer appears in green, and a different feedback appears. The card is demoted to box 1 again. Another learning mode is the multiple choice mode, which allows you to choose the correct answer from multiple answer choices. Here, extended features allow for multiple correct answers to be chosen, and the program also offers the possibility to define incorrect answer choices for each card in the Maintain Cards menu. These choices serve as distractors and add an additional level of difficulty. If answer choices are not defined, the choices are randomly selected from the pool of answers.
the idea,
la idea,
the princess,
la princesa,
the accident,
Further learning modes are the listening comprehension, which is especially useful in language learning because the user of the program has to recognize the answer from the audio stimulus alone. Then there is also sentence recognition mode, which tests for the example sentence, and the image recognition mode, which does just what the name implies. To make things more interesting, more than one option can be selected at a time, and also the learning direction can be switched and also mixed. The learning progress of the student is saved, and various statistics provide an individual learning profile for the learner. It is also important to note that MemoryLifter offers a number of sophisticated tools to easily create multimedia learning modules. Or to add cards and edit cards in existing modules. Other useful features are the clever print wizard that allows for a very targeted selection of cards to be printed. And the new audiobook generator, which compiles the audio files of a learning module for playback on a portable device, like an MP3 player. I hope this very brief introduction was able to show how versatile this tool is. MemoryLifter is an extremely effective and adaptable learning instrument that can be employed in a great number of different fields, and it is free. I want to thank you for your attention. For more information and to download the program or a big variety of multimedia learning modules, please visit our website www.memorylifter.com.